Today, we delve into the insights of investigative journalist and author Whitney Webb. Whitney believes that 2024 will be a year of immense disruption on the global economic front. She suggests the looming possibility of a global cyber catastrophe, which she sees as a power play with a sinister motive. The ultimate goal? To dismantle online privacy and usher in central bank digital currencies, all in the pursuit of gaining more control. But fear not, Whitney doesn't just paint a bleak picture. She advocates for staying ahead of the game, and surprisingly, she sees cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, as a means to do just that. However, with the entry of major financial institutions like BlackRock into Bitcoin through new BTC ETFs, even this might be under threat. According to Whitney, the solution lies in decentralization. She stresses the importance of establishing parallel structures at the grassroots level to offset impending shifts. This involves guaranteeing access to vital resources such as energy and food, as well as nurturing resilient communities. By empowering individuals to take control of their own destinies, we can navigate the challenges of the future with greater resilience and autonomy. Whitney's call to action urges us to embrace local initiatives and community-driven solutions as a means of safeguarding against the uncertainties of a rapidly changing world. In essence, by decentralizing power and fostering self-reliance, we can lay the groundwork for a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Whitney's emphasis on cryptocurrencies stems from their role as a bulwark against rising financial censorship, especially impacting independent media. While not advocating them as a panacea, she recognizes their significance in asset diversification and risk mitigation. Cryptocurrencies offer individuals a decentralized alternative to traditional banking systems, enabling financial autonomy and resilience in the face of systemic threats. As governments and institutions tighten their grip on monetary flows, cryptocurrencies emerge as a beacon of financial freedom, empowering individuals to transact and store value beyond the reach of centralized control. In Whitney's view, embracing cryptocurrencies is not just a pragmatic choice, but a strategic imperative in safeguarding economic sovereignty amidst an increasingly uncertain geopolitical landscape. In addition to the discourse surrounding financial turmoil and the rise of digital currencies, Whitney Webb delves into a broader concern: the gradual erosion of privacy and anonymity in the online realm. She paints a vivid picture of a dystopian future where access to the internet becomes contingent upon government-issued IDs and linked social media profiles. In this Orwellian scenario, free expression and individual liberties are stifled, giving rise to a society where dissenting voices are silenced and conformity is enforced. Through her warning, Whitney highlights the critical importance of safeguarding digital freedoms and resisting attempts to centralize control over online spaces. As we confront these looming threats, her insights serve as a clarion call to defend the principles of privacy and anonymity that underpin a free and open internet. The looming specter of a global cyber attack not only adds complexity, but also urgency to Whitney's narrative. She navigates through the intricate web of cyber preparedness, highlighting the pivotal role of major financial institutions and governments in crafting effective responses. Amidst the chaos and uncertainty, Whitney discerns a glimmer of hope, a vigilant populace awakening to the imperative of safeguarding digital freedoms. This burgeoning awareness, she believes, is a potent force for change in an increasingly interconnected world. As threats loom large on the horizon, Whitney's message resonates as a call to action, urging individuals and institutions alike to fortify their defenses and unite in the defense of our collective digital future. In this dawning era of cyber warfare, it is this unity and resilience that may ultimately tip the scales in our favor. As we navigate these uncertain waters, Whitney's insights serve as a beacon of light, urging us to stay informed and proactive in the face of unprecedented challenges. So, whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a skeptic, her message resonates. The future is ours to shape, but only if we're willing to take action. In conclusion, Whitney Webb's message is clear. 2024 is poised to be a year of seismic shifts, both in the financial realm and beyond. But with vigilance, resilience, and a commitment to individual freedom, we can weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. So, let's heed her call to action and chart a course towards a more equitable and secure future for all. Now, let's dive into Whitney's insights in more detail, exploring the nuances of her analysis and the implications for individuals and society at large. Whitney Webb, a renowned investigative journalist and author, offers a compelling perspective on the state of the world in 2024. She predicts a year of unprecedented disruption, driven by forces both seen and unseen. At the heart of her analysis lies a chilling possibility: the specter of a global cyber catastrophe, wielded as a weapon of power by those seeking to reshape the very fabric of our digital existence. But amidst the foreboding shadows cast by these ominous predictions, Whitney doesn't just sound the alarm. She offers a roadmap for resilience. Central to her vision is the concept of decentralization, a rallying cry for individuals and communities to reclaim control in the face of looming threats. From building self-sustaining local economies to fortifying digital defenses, Whitney lays out a blueprint for survival in an increasingly uncertain world. Yet, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, there shines a beacon of hope: cryptocurrencies. Whitney sees these digital assets not just as speculative investments, but as powerful tools for liberation in an age of financial censorship. By diversifying assets and circumventing traditional banking systems, individuals can carve out a measure of financial autonomy in an ever-shifting landscape. But the rise of cryptocurrencies is not without its challenges. With major financial institutions like BlackRock entering the fray, the very principles of decentralization are at risk. Can Bitcoin and its ilk withstand the onslaught of institutionalization, or will they be co-opted by the very forces they seek to oppose? Amidst these existential questions looms a larger issue: the erosion of privacy and anonymity online. Whitney paints a dystopian picture of a world where digital identity is tightly controlled by governments and corporations, stifling dissent and free expression. Against this backdrop, the threat of a global cyber attack takes on new dimensions as governments and corporations alike scramble to shore up their defenses. But amidst the doom and gloom, Whitney sees glimmers of resistance. From grassroots movements to technologists pushing the boundaries of encryption, there are signs of a burgeoning movement to reclaim digital sovereignty. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Will we succumb to fear and despair? Or will we rise to the challenge and forge a future guided by principles of freedom, equality, and justice? In the end, Whitney's message is clear. The future is ours to shape, but only if we have the courage to confront the challenges that lie ahead. So let us heed her call to action, and together chart a course towards a brighter tomorrow.